Hello guys, today we will see how to set up a Easter gift box using WooCommerce and the Doko Box Builder plugin. Once we install the plugin, we will click on new bundle, give a name to our bundle, so I will give it gift box Easter or just Easter gift box instead. Okay, here I will define a title for the first screen. So pick a box, color. So here I will use a categories instead of individual products. So I already created a category named Floral Boxes. So automatically, if a customer just click on any product into this category, it will redirect them to the next screen. So here I will add another screen. So I will click here, add content to your box. So I will choose this card structure. Here for the categories, I will use a category I've created named mode, candy, and snacks. Then I will add a third screen who will contain a card. Choose a card. Here I will use the structure bundle card page. For the categories, I will use a card category. Then here we have this option who say if I want to display into the cart or checkout or email the content of the box, I will put this option to yes. So then I will go back, click publish. Once I hit publish, the plugin will save the contents and generate me a specific shortcode I can use into my page. So if I go back to page here, I will create a new page that I will name Easter gift box. Loading. Okay. Easter gift box. So I will do this, choose this shortcode, and paste the generated shortcode back by the plugin. Once I completed, we will go to the page and try to buy some products that we want to offer to some people. So here we have our bundle screen. I will reduce the zoom. So here is the first screen. So I will choose this card box. For the content of my box, I will add Haribo, this Choco McVitie's, and Kinder Surprise. I can also look for other category are defined, like candy here. This is the candy. I will look for the snacks. Okay, and mode. For mode, I will add the ties. Then at the next step, I have to pick a card that will be associated. So I will choose this one, to Emmanuel from John, and I will say happy birthday. Then once I completed, if I want to change, I will just hit change card here and use this same message, then click add to cart. Once I go back to the cart, okay, here we have a recap of all the products into our card. So I will just proceed to check out. Fill the fields, Danny, Vito. I leave everything. So my email is Danny, Vito, from script 1. Okay, then I place the order. So everything is perfect right now. Then I will go back to the order dashboard into WooCommerce to see our orders you just placed. So here is it. So we have our original price here, the various product content inside, and here we have for information related to the bundle used to make this boss. So that's all for this tutorial.